Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we had seen about the list in HTML, right? And I have given one of the solving question to you. If you are done with that, okay. If you have any issues with that, you can comment me in the chat, okay? It's for the practice, okay? And today's topic in our HTML, which is the most important topic for upcoming sessions, and also you can use more times, okay? So tables, okay, basically a table means it consisting rows and columns. Okay, a table can be formed by using the rows and columns, you can say like that. Okay, in HTML, as a table is represented with the table tag, and rows are represented with the tr, and columns will represented with the td. Okay, next, there are some attributes, right? Every tag will consisting I mean dependent attributes, I mean required attributes to make it more larger. As image attribute will consisting height and width to adjust the image, like that. Here table is also consisting some of the attributes. To look at that, we will go to the tab. Okay, as a table, okay, table is a, it's a table, okay, and table is a tag. Tr is also tag. Tr indicates the rows, okay, whereas td indicates what, it's opposite to the columns, right? There are some attributes to the this table concept. Okay, first one is border. For the border, what is cell padding? Space around content. Okay, space around content. Okay, and what is cell spacing? Cell to cell space, cell to cell space. Okay, what is align? What is align? Align means aligning, I mean if you are placing at first, start, end, middle. Okay, you are telling that align this table at the center, align this table at the left, align that in right, like that you can use. Okay, just go for this example for these explanations. Okay, basically it's a column, right? It's a column, it's a column. Student id is a column, name is also column, major is also column, credits is also column. Okay, and student id, name, major, credits, it's a row. Okay, it's a row. Basically we call it, it's a row. It's a row 1, it's a row 2, it's a row 3, and it's a row 4 and 5, right? 1 2 3 4, right? Yeah, 5. And here, and there is one more tag too in tables, like th. Okay, like th. And there are two ways to represent. Okay, I mean there are three ways, sorry, two ways to how to do the table, I mean how to use the table. Okay, we will look that. Okay, just open the VS Code. Okay, just open the VS Code and create a file like day5.html. Okay, you can name what you want, but for my case, for lightness, okay, I was keeping that. And you can use day5. Okay, as a day5, our topic is about tables, right? Let's take the table tag. Okay, just incrementing its size. As a table will consisting tr, right? And it will consist th stands for the table heading. Okay, I want to use the heading like name, okay, college, and you can use location. Okay, and just run it. Okay, default port number for that, this HTML is that 5500. Okay, it's a port number, running port number. Okay, and here, after writing that name, college, location, I was taken table. Okay, table tag. Inside the table tag, I have taken tr. I want one row. Okay, just it's a row, right? Name, age, column, it's a row. Okay, name, age, location, it's a row, right? Say that inside one row, I want to represent these three. Okay, sorry, inside that one row, I want to represent these three headings. Okay, after headings, I want another row like tr. Okay, inside that td, what is the name? S1. And what is the college name? College 1. And what is the location? It's a L1. Okay, if I take like this for the multiples, okay, just see the output once. Okay, you will get like this, right? Yeah. For the better viewing, you can use location 1. Okay, location one, but I want to create multiple rows for the data of that. Okay, just use control V, control V, control V. Okay, you got it right. Yeah, you got it. But here, as a table, you should have some borders, right? So here the concept about the attributes. Okay, you can use attributes inside the table starting tag or opening tag. Okay, just use border and you can give that one. Okay, it's a size. Okay, after that border is getting, and then you can use cell padding. Okay, just look at this carefully. I want to use 10. Okay, that means space around the content. This is the content, right? The space here 10, here 10 pixel, here 10 pixel, here 10 pixel. That's about the cell padding. Okay, now the space between the cells is very thin, right? Between name and college, its space is thin, but I want to increase the cell spacing, right? Cell spacing, cell spacing equals to 10, right? Yes, if you look at this, it's increased to the 10 pixel. Cell to cell spacing is 10 pixel. Okay, it's at the starting place, like I want to align it at center. Okay, so you can use align center, it can align to the center. Okay, and one another way to align that, take the inline css with using the style tag. Okay, then use margin and then use auto. Okay, this is another way to align the table at the center. Okay, but better to prefer first way without using the css. Okay, align center. Okay, this is about one way of doing the tables. Is there any doubt? Just comment me below. Simple. Take the table tag, take the tr, that means one row with the headings for this. Okay, it's a row with the headings, so I was taken th fan for table head or heading. Okay, take another row, I want to give that information. I was taken another row and I have given information with using the td. Okay, okay, this will represent this one, and this td represents this one, and this td represents this table heading. Okay, that's like 111, it's a row 2 or row 1. Okay, I mean giving the info, giving info row. Okay, like that I have created multiple rows. Okay, and that's all about this. Rows and columns has been completed, and there is another way. Okay, there is another way, and you can do like take the like table.html, another way to create the table. And it's a more preferable. Okay, well compared to the before one, it's more preferable. Just take the table, but concept is same. Okay, just only the tag name will changes. Table, and initially we had taken tr, right? But here you have to take the same tr, but you are taking no, you have to take the t head. Okay, it's a heading part, you have to take the tr. Inside that you can use name. Okay, age and location, right? If you're running that using the port number, you can see that heading tags, you can see some heading tags will be displayed on the web page, right? Name, age, location. You are using td, right? So that will be only the normal text. I want to use headings instead of this. Okay, okay, just see now it's a bold one, right? Yeah, it's a bold. Next, this is about heading tag. Okay, t head stands for the table heading. I have completed heading part. Just I want to go for the body part. Okay, t body. Okay, what is t body? I mean, this is the heading part, right? If you take this example, it's an heading part. The total first row will comes under heading. This total rows will comes under body, and this row will comes under footer. Okay, now we are going for the body, and inside that body I want to insert some data like n1, name 1, and age is like 10, and next location is that location 2. Okay, just use multiple TRs inside the TBODY. Yeah, you can see that here it's n1 10 location 2, right? After completion of table body, just look at this. I mean, it's very good to look. After completion of TBODY, come out of it, then you will be having the TFOOT, that is table foot, and you can use TR inside of that TD, and you can use TFOOT. Okay, at the end you can use this. Okay, it's a TFOOT representation. At the end, if you want to represent anything, like see this example. Okay, it's a TFOOT. As a TFOOT represents average credits, and it's 240, right? So it can be done by the another concept. I mean, you are neglecting this current row call cell, and this particular column cell is you are negligible, and you are placing this text at the center. That can be possible by using another two attributes like row span, call span. Okay, we will learn that tomorrow. Okay, we'll learn that tomorrow, but today's topic is about tables, and this is the HTML5 tables creation. As okay, the first one is it's an older version basically, and the second one is by using the HTML5 version. I mean, you will be having the three sessions like THEAD, another is a TBODY, okay, and another is the TFOOT. It's a clear understanding, right? It's a feature of HTML5. Okay, that's the differences between that. I mean, you created this table by using TRs, TDs without any THEAD, TBODY, and TFOOT. And another example, this is you created by using the THEAD, TBODY, TFOOT. Okay, same attributes you can use inside the table tag. Okay, starting table tag you can use like border as one, cell padding. Okay, cell padding is equals to 5. Okay, then use cell spacing equals to 5, and you can use align, you can use center. Okay, you can get it. Okay, no issue with that. Okay, yeah, that's about the two different ways how to create the tables in the HTML. Okay, we will look at the row span and call span, and we will do that some practice sessions with that. Okay, that's all about today's class. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, just comment me below, and thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe to our channel. Okay, it's our channel, right? Thank you.